Now, after the cashiering is posted, if we go to the cash flow and if we look in here in the summary, as you can see now, we have a 1,500,000 goes in to your business. So if we go at the details below on this date, and this is the bank account name, and then it says here the direction is in, the sources receipt, and this is the reference number, so the amount is 1,500,000. Okay, so if we go back to the accounts receivable, this has been deducted the 1.5 million, so we can no longer see here the 1,500,000. Okay, so if we're going to find it, you can never find it anymore. So okay, now the next one is the cashiering, which is cash disbursement. Okay. So what is cashiering cash disbursement? As I explained in my previous video, we have two types of cashiering. The first one is the cash receipts, which is your business receives the money out. The second type of the cashiering is the cash disbursements, which means that after you create a payment voucher and then the payment voucher was approved, then it's time to disburse the payment voucher that you created. Okay, now let's go back. Let's go here into the payment voucher. So let's try to get this particular item of the payment voucher. And then we go to the cash disbursement. We create new. We load. Okay, now what is this one? So I cannot read loud, so I need to translate. Create a transaction to pay out to Pongsavan Insurance brokerage fee for 3 to 4 months. I'm not sure if this is a commission given to the agent of Pongsavan for bringing vehicle inside the auto garage. I'm not sure what is that. So in here, under the disbursement, okay, under the disbursement, we have a payment method. So if we click this one, you can find cash and bank. Just forget the two. If you say cash, then here the description, if you type cash, are you going to pay this in Laukip, in US dollar, or in Thai baht? This currency is in Laukip, so we must pay in Laukip. Now, if you decide that this is a bank transaction, then all you have to do is to type bank and then select the type of bank or which bank accounts you're going to get the money of this amount and then pay to this person. Okay. And then after that, we click the save. Okay, and then after we click save, we go back, and now we see that we already have it in here. So again, what is the purpose of the cash disbursement? Okay, now we create the payment voucher. The payment voucher comes from an agent commission or a requisition slip, right? So after we create the requisition, we can find this request number inside the payment voucher. Now, after we create the voucher, let's say for example in here, after we create that voucher, then it's time to disburse the money or to give the money or to pay this person with this amount. Now, after the cashier disburse the money to this person, it's now then job of the accounting to check whether this amount is actually disbursed. Now, after Tutu confirms that, okay, this amount is disbursed, given that Tutu has the receipt, then Tutu will just click here the post. Remember, the amount is this one. So if Tutu or any account that will post, click post here, post this record, we click yes. And then after that, if we go to the cash flow, now we have an out here. Okay, so on this day, the same bank First, there is a payment received. Then, there is a payment disbursed or money out of the company. And then if we look in here, we have an opening balance and then another in, and then this one is an out. So now we have a closing balance of this much.